Hi everyone, welcome back to another new video. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to teach you this beautiful silver glittery eyes. So let's begin. So I'm going to start by drawing a V to the outer corner of my eyes as you can see, and I am going to follow the shape of my eyes as my guide. And then with the help of a clean tapered blending brush, I'm going to pull the color to the inner corner of my eyes like so. And then with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to smoothen out the edges with the help of a brown eyeshadow like so. And then taking a flat shader brush to apply that silver color to my eyes, which is the hero eye color of today's look. I have also added some glitter to the middle part of my eyes and then blended and tight lined the lower lash line. I have done the mascara off camera. And yes, that's pretty much it. I absolutely loved how this look turned out. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye.